Today I'll introduce you to solutions for typing on a PDF. The first solution is an app for you. Search for PDFgear in your browser. Visit the official website and download PDFgear. PDFgear supports multi-platform downloads: Windows, Mac, iPad, and iPhone. Some PDFs have built-in interactive forms. You can type directly into these PDF files without any tools. However, these interactive form fields often specify the type of input allowed. For example, some fields may only allow letters, while others may only allow numbers. Checkboxes can be clicked to check or uncheck. For PDF files with interactive forms, you can open them directly with PDFgear and type text directly. However, some forms are styled in such a way that you cannot type text directly. In this case, you need to use the Add Text tool in PDFgear. Select a location in the PDF where you want to add text. Type the text. The text wraps automatically when it reaches the right edge of the box. Once you have added text, the Add Text tool will remain active, allowing you to add text continuously. Click the Exit Editing button in the menu under the Add Text tool to save and exit. You can also drag the text to adjust its location. Besides those forms, you can also comment or add text to a PDF. The Note function can comment on the PDF. Select a location in the PDF where you want to put the note. Type your comments in the pop-up note. Your text will remain even if you close the note. Text boxes are rectangular areas where you can input text, often with a border to separate them from the rest of the document. Text boxes usually remain visible on the PDF. You can drag the resizing handles to resize the text box. There are tools available to change the font size, font color, and other properties. You can use the Add Text function to type text on the PDF without any borders. The text wraps automatically when it reaches the right edge. You can drag it to resize it. If you want to edit the existing text in the PDF, you can use the Edit Text function. However, this feature is only available for non-scanned PDF files. This is how to type on a PDF using the PDFgear app. We also have online tools for typing on a PDF. Select the Annotate PDF tool on our website. Open the PDF and you can use the tool to type on it. Click this button to expand the toolbar. Choose the Free Text tool to type on the PDF. This tool will close after typing. Click this button again if you want to add more text. If you want to change settings, such as fonts, select the text you want to change first. These are solutions for typing on a PDF. Which method do you think is the easiest? Please leave your comments. See you in the next video.